Hey y'all, it's your girl Sabrina Latrice here. Welcome back to another video. Okay, you guys, now it is time for me to address the elephant in the room. Your girl has been gone, okay? I've been gone for about a month and a half, but I am back. I know I said that last time, but you guys have to understand, November was so busy. If you guys are new here, I did get married last month in the beginning of the month. Then it was my husband's birthday, my birthday, Jesus's birthday. If you guys don't know that reference, definitely make sure that you check out Cat William. Now that I'm back, I'm so excited to share our journey with you guys. I'm currently in the process of editing our wedding video. I can't wait to show you guys exactly what it was like marrying my best friend. We've been married for a month now and it has been amazing, okay? Again, look out for that video. It should be coming soon. But before I drop that video, I wanted to go ahead and get this video out to you guys. This is our date night routine. In this video, I'm just showing you guys how I like to install my wig, layer and curl my hair, and also how I like to do my makeup for date night. On date nights, I like to take extra time to get ready, so I'll make sure that I get ready maybe 2 to 3 hours before it's time for us to go out. That way I can take time to beat my face, make sure my hair is slayed, my outfit looks great. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you guys would like more tutorials, even a full get ready with me, meaning a 3-in-1 hair, makeup, and outfit, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you guys are new here, I want to thank you so much for tuning into my video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. That way you are notified when I upload. I'm telling you guys, we have a blast on this channel, so I would love for you to go ahead and join the fam. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and sticking it out with me. Again, now that your girl is Mrs. Little, I am on here for good to show you guys what it's like just juggling being a wife, content creating, a business owner. The sky is the limit. I've missed you guys so much, but I'm gonna stop rambling and let you guys watch this tutorial here. Again, thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I upload my next video. Talk to you guys soon. Let's talk products, you guys. I have been absolutely loving the way I've been doing my makeup lately, and the reason for that is because of my Bobbi Brown products. I'm honestly not sponsored at all. Bobbi Brown, if you ever watch this, go ahead and sponsor your girl, because I definitely take it. Your products are good, but they pricey, okay? But anyways, I absolutely love my foundation. The primer, which is the hydrating face base, is great, and I love my concealer as well. Bobbi Brown has really come through for my makeup, and I highly recommend it for my ladies who have dry skin. I have extremely dry skin, so this is perfect for my face base, and it keeps me hydrated and my makeup stays on all night.
Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do you like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak, it don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go pull. brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga, catch a break. Better way. Oh, I've been working all day.
Y'all, I know I said I was done, but I'm back, okay? I missed y'all so much, okay? I have been editing this tutorial for a while, and I had an issue with my microphone where it does not work at all, and it's giving a nasty feedback. So now your girl is recording her voiceovers on her iPhone, okay? It's real out here, okay? It's hard out here for a pimp when you trying to get this money for the rent. I keep trying to tell people that. They don't want to listen. But yes, I'm still on the market for a good microphone. So if you guys know of any, please make sure to comment down below.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural. Edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take you. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind.
I know someone's gonna ask, so I might as well put the information out there now. The unit that I am currently wearing is from my brand, the Divine Dior collection. It's a 16-inch unit named Monica. She's a 5x5 HD lace closure unit. Again, she's 16 inches. I went in and just layered her, cut her to my desired length, and curled her. Now, Monica is one of our glueless units, so she comes ready to wear straight out of the package.
But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come?
They are made to order, but this unit is currently for sale. If you guys are interested, make sure you go look at the description box, go to my Instagram, and DM me for more information. I'm currently still working on my website, so I don't have anything just yet. So right now, if you guys DM me, we can go ahead and discuss getting this wig ordered. I'm super excited to be back in business and doing what I love, which is hair. I love makeup too, but I'm not going to professionally do that at this moment. Maybe down the line, but I absolutely love hair, and I hope you guys love this unit too. Again, if you want to order, go ahead and hit me up on Instagram, and we can go over how we can get this unit to you.
Moody. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, catch a break. Better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a cut, yeah. Put that on cut when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, hey. attention. But I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still.
Now, come on, y'all. Y'all gotta take a moment to look at it. Look at me. Look at me, okay? I'm not even conceited, but y'all gotta admit, I beat my face, okay? My face stayed all night. It looked great, flawless. And come on, hair. Do y'all see the hair come through? The volume was just given. I absolutely love the way this look turned out. This is one of the rare occasions where my makeup and hair come out flawless. But you guys, I cannot rave about my wigs enough. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.